Now, from Into Tomorrow, this is an ITTV special report.
The world of electronic media has never been more vibrant, more fast-moving, and more involved. It's a very fun time to be in broadcasting, radio, television, online, all kinds of production. We're in Amsterdam this week at IBC. It's an international broadcasting conference, and we hope you enjoy this Into Tomorrow ITTV special report. Brought to you in part by G Technology by Hitachi, delivering premium storage solutions for video editing and content creation. Visit g-technology.com. And by Newegg. Trust Newegg for your home and now for your business. Open an account at newegbusiness.com today and enjoy one-stop shopping and volume savings right away. Well, we're also this week on the radio program taking your calls and emails and addressing all kinds of consumer electronics concerns. We wanted to bring you some highlights from here in Amsterdam at IBC.
This is the latest version called the G-Speed Q, has an internal RAID controller. What does that mean? That means that there's a quad interface on the back, hence the Q. So you plug it directly into a Mac via FireWire, USB, or if you have an eSATA card, you can plug it in eSATA for the highest data transfer. We really want to bring the best storage solutions possible to the content creation and really to anybody that's looking for protected storage. Any one of the hard drives could fail and the data is still there. So this is a protected storage unit. Very important these days because of how much, it's an all digital world, digital cameras, digital photos, digital video. You're putting these on hard drives. It's really not a matter of if, but when they fail. Every hard drive would fail. It's a mechanical device. In this unit, if a drive does fail, you won't lose your data, and that's the important thing.
So Minicaster is the smallest and lightest live H.264 encoder. Wherever there's internet connection and there's a camera, the Minicaster closes the gap and sends a signal over the net. So you don't have the need to have skilled professional cameraman and with heavy stuff to, oh, sorry for that, Dave. We also stream up to full HD, 1080, 60p. A lot of numbers, but bring it down to one point. This is cool, man.
We have lots of remotes that you find everywhere, but remotes used to be just something traditional. One device, one remote. Now you can have remotes which control up to 20 devices and even gesture-based remotes. So you have gesture-based like the Wii. With simple gestures you can just go through the whole user interface, easily select pictures with just movement of your hand. So even text input is very easy with this remote control. You just turn it over to the back side and you have a text box coming up, easily typing in the words on a nice QWERTY keyboard.
a holder for the iPhone. You put the iPhone in the hole. It's stable. It's fine to use. You have a lens which makes the quality of the picture better. And you have a separate microphone. And now you can produce your own film with the iPhone. Here in the back you see the iPhone in it. And what I say is, I'm not willing to buy a camera with which I'm not able to phone. If you can't use it as a phone, forget it.
Useless.
Yeah.
Well, we hope our time here has been productive. It's the International Broadcasting Conference, IBC, in Amsterdam. And while there's so much more to see, we only had time to show you a little bit. But of course, tune into tomorrow for more details and interviews and videos and, of course, digital still pictures, links to all the guests we spoke to as well, and links to the IBC site. By the way, do you get our free once-a-week tech newsletter? If you don't, you certainly should. It's free. Did I mention that? And all we need is your email address. We don't share it with anyone. Just put your email address in the red box right there at intotomorrow.com. And if you'd like any more information about anything you've heard here at IBC or seen, or anything from our past shows at IFA, all the other goodies, then of course pick up the phone anytime, 24/7, and join us toll-free from anywhere in North America, 1-800-899-INTO, 800-899-4686. This portion of this week's ITTV Update brought to you in part by Diskkeeper. Diskkeeper 2010 Performance Software is the only product available today that actually prevents up to 85% of fragmentation before it happens, utilizing a new revolutionary technology called IntelliWrite. Get it at diskkeeper.com. And of course, 24/7, the Ask Dave hotline is open for you, so we do want to hear from you. It is radio after all, so picking up the phone and joining us is most important. 1-800-899-INTO. Oh, and be sure and friend us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. It's all there, not only our travels, but all of our guest information. We try to keep as up to date as possible. Meantime, stay tuned into tomorrow, and thanks for joining us.